I would say one thing that was important, neither Wayne nor I were typical professors because we didn't go to school and then teach school. I think that's the key. We came to teaching after industrial experience, and I've always promoted that. I think that's so much better than getting a PhD, getting a doctor's degree, and then getting an academic job. I don't think that's good for a career and is not good for a country.
Do you think that it is still the same today?
No, the academic model is get a PhD, get a postdoc, and then get a teaching job. That's what universities like, and that's what the Science Foundation pays you to do, you see. Science Foundation will pay for the postdoc most of the time, and the Science Foundation which wants publications. Whereas if you do this other thing, you probably won't get a top-flight teaching job, even if you want one when you're 40, because you don't have enough papers, you see. But what you have is a real insight to the practical world. That's not a very popular idea to have around universities, so I'm never too popular when I talk about that.
Do you want to say anything to students that are approaching new research or new topics in the earth science?
I've never thought about that. What I would just say are two things, and this is people in several roles of life have told me this, and I think it's true. And I haven't followed this too much now, but if you're still in school, you should be prepared to work in fields that you not know too much about. In other words, don't expect to do the same thing in life all the time. Well, if that's a reasonable future, if that's a reasonable expectation, take courses that don't make you too specialized. Now that's again, the modern trend is to become a specialist to get a job. But in reality, if you're a generalist, you might see a lot of things and be a lot more attractive to people to put you to work if you seem to have the capacity to do different things, not just be a SEM person, an isotope person, a hydraulics person, a micropaleontologist. So be prepared to adapt, and if that's the future, then you'd better take some courses outside of geology, or at least in different kinds of geology.